Welcome to this explainer. You know, science fiction is basically becoming our daily reality, but what you might not realize is just how fast it's actually happening and exactly where the epicenter of this massive hardware revolution is located. Today, we're diving straight into the sheer scale of China's humanoid robotics sector as of May 2026. To really wrap your head around the global scale we're talking about here, just consider this staggering number, 140. We are looking at an ecosystem of over 140 different manufacturers supporting more than 20 major developers. Because of this insane density of talent and, frankly, unmatched supply chain efficiency, China is now the world's largest humanoid robotics sector, and that's measured by both overall production volume and total company count. So we're not just talking about a handful of isolated labs anymore. This is a fully mobilized, interconnected industrial engine. To make sense of an ecosystem this massive, here's our game plan for today. We'll start with the world's largest humanoid sector, then look at the big three market leaders, followed by the startups driving specialized innovation. After that, we'll see how tech and auto giants are entering the space, and finally, we'll map out the broader research ecosystem. Let's jump right into Section 1, the world's largest humanoid sector, focusing on scale and speed. Here's the really wild part. Despite dozens of new startups aggressively competing across fields like industrial logistics, healthcare, and even household service, the reality of actual commercial power is highly centralized at the very top. Just three companies, AgiBot, Unitree, and UBTECH, account for the vast majority of all commercial humanoid robot shipments globally. Think about that. We are way past the stage of clunky prototypes. These are boxed, shipping, commercial units that are scaling up all around the world right now. Which brings us perfectly to Section 2, the big three market leaders, or, as I like to call them, the Titans. So who's actually putting these robots out into the real world? Well, AgiBot took the absolute crown as the global shipment leader back in 2025, which really set a massive benchmark for everyone else. Then you have Unitree. They're driving these huge economies of scale with their high-volume H1 and the newer G1 platforms. And rounding out the top is UBTECH, who've managed to carve out this highly practical and frankly lucrative niche with their Walker series absolutely dominating factory floors. These three are the heavyweights literally dictating the pace of global commercialization. Moving on to Section 3, let's look at the challengers, startups driving specialized innovation. Now, how do you survive against those giants we just talked about? You specialize. Just look at Fortier. They're leveraging some incredibly deep pre-existing experience in medical rehabilitation robotics. It's such a brilliant pivot, applying exoskeleton tech directly to their GR1 and GR2 humanoids. Meanwhile, Engine AI and Kepler Robotics are laser-focused on robust industrial manufacturing. And then you have Galbot taking a completely different route, pulling embodied AI straight into your living room for next-generation household service. And honestly, the sheer variety of applications being explored across the board is just amazing. You've got Linux Dynamics pushing the absolute limits of advanced bipedal locomotion with Tron. Leju Robot is out there pioneering the educational space as one of China's early innovators. Plus, rising stars like Booster Robotics are already making global waves, like we saw at the recent Humanoid Summit in Tokyo. From education to complex movement, the depth of this startup ecosystem is just staggering.
All right, Section 4, Tech and Auto Giant Center. Let's talk about the crossovers.
We aren't just seeing pure robotics companies anymore. We're witnessing a massive industry crossover. Electric vehicle pioneer XPeng is aggressively developing their own iron humanoid platform. And why? Because they're taking everything they already know, the autonomous driving AI, the battery tech, the electric motors, and literally just putting it into a human form factor. It makes total sense. Meanwhile, consumer tech giants like Xiaomi and get this, even high-end vacuum maker Dreamy Tech are realizing that humanoids are the next massive consumer electronics frontier. Add in iFlyTech's expertise in voice AI, and it is crystal clear that a huge paradigm shift is underway here.
Finally, Section 5, the broader research ecosystem. This is the foundation of it all.
You just simply cannot have a commercial boom of this magnitude without a massive R&D engine running quietly in the background. At the institutional level, heavyweights like the Beijing Humanoid Robot Innovation Center, the Chinese Academy of Sciences, and Zhejiang University are laying all the deep theoretical groundwork. And what happens is, they feed directly into specialized innovators like EX Robots, Robot Era, CSBot, and Magic Lab, along with CloudMinds, Dobot, and PatSnap Tiora. It's a completely interconnected, self-sustaining web of academic research and commercial ambition. So we've mapped the scale, the titans, the startups, the crossovers, and the research bedrock. But here's the absolute most important takeaway.
With this massive ecosystem already deploying global commercial fleets in 2026, the era of humanoids is no longer science fiction. It is happening right now, today. The question I want to leave you with is this. How will you adapt to a reality where household and industrial humanoids are just a normal, everyday part of your life? Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and definitely keep your eyes on the horizon.